You remember too much, my mother said to me. Why hold on to all that? And I said, where do I put it down? Everything that feels suffocating teaches us how to breathe. Sometimes it's suffocating by being surrounded with happiness and not being able to feel it. Her lungs were collapsing from the growing pressure of all the words she wasn't saying. The silence was suffocating. Why do dreams seem to slip away the harder we hold on to them? Do they feel suffocated too? Don't suffocate your spirit for the lessons that were only passing through spring. If you don't love it, you are going to fail. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. You have to have a lot of passion for what you are doing because it's so hard. If you don't, any rational person would give up. Without that, there would be very little progress. We are here to put a dent in the universe, otherwise, why else even be here? Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. I am actually as proud of many of the things we haven't done as the things we have done. Sometimes life is going to hit you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. A lot of times people don't know what they want until you show it them. You don't lose real friends, real opportunities, or real relationships when you start standing up for yourself and setting clear boundaries. You lose abusers, manipulators, narcissists, attention seekers, and mental health destroying leeches. At last, the best blood group matching for human has been found with leeches and chameleons. You see a person's true colors when you are no longer beneficial to their life. There is a big difference between truly needing welfare and being a habitual societal leech. No matter how old you get, the hole in your heart created by your father's absence still aches. When you have a good mother and no father, God kind of sits in. It's not enough, but it helps. God has always been to me not so much like a father as like a dear and tender mother. A mother deserves a day off to care for a sick child or sick parent without running into hardship. And you know what a father does too. It's time to do away with workplace policies that belonged in a Mad Men episode. I get so sick and tired of hearing people gripe about what their parents did to them. You know what your parents did to you, the best thing they could do, the best thing they knew how, the only thing in many cases that they knew how. Nobody has set out maliciously to hurt their child unless they were psychotic. You know it already that each one of us is the effect of the infinite past. The child is ushered into the world not as something flashing from the hands of nature, as poets delight so much to depict, but he has the burden of an infinite past. For good or evil, he comes to work out his own past deeds. And poets by their sufferings grow, as if there were no more to do to make a poet excellent, but only want and discontent. Nothing's more dull and negligent than an old, lazy government that knows no interest of state but such as serves a present trade. Our lives today are not conducted in linear tones, they are much more quantified. A stream of random events is taking place. In a different time, in a different place, it is always some other side of our common human nature that has been developing itself. The actual truth is the sum of all these. Truth is contrary to our nature, not so error, and this for a very simple reason. Truth demands that we should recognize ourselves as limited. Error flatters us that in one way or another we are unlimited. is much easier to meet with error than to find truth. Error is on the surface and can be more easily met with. Truth is hid in great depths. The way to seek doesn't appear to all the world. Truth is a gem that is found at a great depth. Whilst on the surface of the world all things are weighed by the false scale of custom. Women's natural role is to be a pillar of the family. The idea of my life as a fairy tale is itself a fairy tale. My nature is that I have to excite myself with a big challenge. I am excited by challenging myself physically and mentally every day. Creatively, I just enjoy challenging myself in different genders. Good listeners believe they can learn something from everyone. When people talk, listen completely. Most people never listen. A good listener is not only popular everywhere, but after a while he gets to know something. A good listener is a good talker with a sore throat. It takes a great man to be a good listener. Good listeners believe they can learn something from everyone. Good listeners, like precious gems, are to be treasured. Their eyes seemed rings from whence the gems were gone. The pearl is the queen of gems and the gem of queens. Some gems for the greatest of them all. Generally, you should never forget what a person says to you when angry, because that's when the truth finally comes out. The crookedness of the serpent is still straight enough to slide through the snake hole. Look like the innocent flower, but be the serpent under it. Still, anyone who trusts a serpent deserves its bite. The wise see a creature for what it is, not what it says it may be. The serpent is wise in that it lives in immediacy without the need for the elaborate intellectual frameworks humankind is. If a man is as wise as a serpent, he can afford to be as harmless as a dove. Method is more important than strength when you wish to control your enemies. By dropping golden beads near a snake, a crow once managed to have a passerby kill the snake for the beads. The serpent, if it wants to become the dragon, must eat itself. Unless a serpent devours a serpent, it will not become a dragon. Unless one power absorbs another, it will not become great. Eternity is a circle, a serpent that swallows its own tail. Just as a snake sheds its skin, we must shed our past over and over again. Look like the innocent flower, but be the serpent under it. Poor people complain about money they cannot get. Rich ones complain about money they cannot keep. Poor people spend their money and save what's left. Rich people save their money and spend what's left. Rich people invest money and poor people spend it. Rich people have money, poor people have faith. Poor people have more fun than rich people, they say, and I notice it's the rich people who keep saying it. Only poor people are weird, rich people are eccentric. Poor people make a very poor business of it when they try to seem rich. Rich people play the money game to win. Poor people play the money game to not lose. If you focus too much on the fools, you will eventually become one. The outcome is not up to you, the outlook is. We are not on the outside looking in, we are on the outside looking out. To be looked upon as a fool by an idiot is a true Canizer's delight. I am fond of observing how obsession is the most durable form of intellectual capital. Think of today as an opportunity to discover and grow beyond your mental and emotional discomfort. Inquiry and curiosity is really important in any profession, but definitely in what I do. And in parallel, you also need to be confident enough to try things. So it's a tricky thing sometimes to balance those two states. Strategy is important, but execution is everything. Incredibly successful people focus on executing incredibly well. The key to successful leadership today is influence, not authority. Leadership is taking responsibility while others are making excuses. Leadership is about making others better as a result of your presence and making sure that impact lasts in your absence. Leadership is not about being in charge. Leadership is about taking care of those in your charge. Management is doing things right. Leadership is doing the right things. Never forget what people say to you when they are angry. That's when the truth comes out. To be angry is to let others' mistakes punish yourself. It's never what people do that makes us angry. It's what we tell ourselves about what they did. Anger expressed in a healthy and positive way means that we channel emotional anger towards resolution, not attack. Anger is an acid that can do more harm to the vessel in which it is stored than to anything on which it is poured. Where there is anger, there is always pain underneath. You cannot tell a hungry child that you gave him food yesterday. If poor people want food stamps, they should become a large-scale corporation. You cannot get rid of poverty by giving money to people. Poverty is not being without money, but being without hope. No two things differ more than abstract and actual poverty. Poverty is the only burden that is not lightened by sharing with others. Poverty is the worst form of violence. The future depends on what we do in the present. You may never know what results come of your actions, but if you do nothing, there will be no results. Hunger is not the worst feature of unemployment, idleness is. Hunger is never delicate. We don't need to cure hunger, we know how to solve hunger. It's food, it's nutrition, and it's really a question of access. The lack of access to proper nutrition is not only fueling obesity, it is leading to food insecurity and hunger among our children. Poverty is a very complicated issue, but feeding a child isn't. If we can conquer space, we can conquer childhood hunger. I would like to end world hunger and create world peace. Stop corruption, stop drugs getting to kids. We know that a peaceful world cannot long exist, 1/3 rich and 2/3 hungry. There are people in the world so hungry that God cannot appear to them except in the form of bread. If you cannot feed 100 people, then feed just one.
ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया।
A promise made is a debt unpaid. You are not entitled to anything until you save and pay for it. Worrying is like paying a debt you don't owe. Some debts are fun when you are acquiring them, but none are fun when you set about retiring them. You can't get out of debt while keeping the same lifestyle that got you there. Cut out everything except the basics. Being in control of your finances is a great stress reliever. Choose to take control. Credit and debt keep us fixated on the past and not the future. Every day is a bank account and time is our currency. No one is rich, no one is poor. We have got 24 hours each. It's better to live cheap under budget than luxuriously in debt. Just the fact that we don't know our due date on death should be enough motivation to live every day to your highest potential. 10 things you realize when you get mature. Gossiping is boring, useless, and time wasting. You don't find the phone call from your mom annoying because you care about her. Talk less, listen more, and let other people shine. It's okay if you don't know everything. Speak up for yourself or people never know. It's good to be serious sometimes. Stop to find any excuses and deal with the problem. Time is precious. Say no to people who waste your time. Love yourself more. Don't hurt yourself for someone else. Cherish friends who are always there when you need them. Don't tell me that isn't a big deal. That will cut off your legs and laugh at you as you grovel in the dirt begging for mercy. Never let the things you want make you forget the things you have. Measure your wealth not by the things you have, but by the thing for which you would not take money. Every time you borrow money, you are robbing your future self. You must gain control over your money, or the lack of it will forever control you. If you owe someone money, get on a plan and pay them. You might get 85 years on this planet. Don't spend 65 paying off a lifestyle you can't afford. Pretending to be rich can make you poor. Learn to live within your means. Your net worth is not your net worth. Unmanaged debt is a slow, painful way to exist. Don't fight about money because after you have said mean things to each other, the amount of money in the bank will be the same. Debt can turn a free, happy person into a bitter human being. Too many people spend money they haven't earned to buy things they don't want to impress people that they don't like. Debt basically enables people to live a lie. When someone lends you money, it doesn't mean they have a lot. It means they thought you needed it more than them. So learn to return people's money with the same energy and smile you borrowed it with. The rich rule over the poor and the borrower is slave to the lender. The difference between a republic and an empire is the loyalty of one's army. Love people who hate you. Pray for people who have wronged you. It won't just change their life, it will change yours. Accept your past without regret. Handle your present with confidence and face your future without fear. By doing what you love, you inspire and awaken the hearts of others. When you wish good for others, good things come back to you. This is the law of nature. Trust is like glass. Once broken, it will never be the same again. Truth of life, do a million good things, nobody will care. But commit a single mistake and everybody will judge you. Person who asks is a fool for 5 minutes, but the one who doesn't ask remains a fool forever. Show respect even to people who don't deserve it, not as a reflection of their character, but as a reflection of yours. Understanding is an art, and not everyone is an artist. When this line is straight, everyone will suddenly love you. Understanding is an art, and not everyone is an artist. I want to sing like the birds sing, not worrying about who hears or what they think. If you are irritated by every rub, how will your mirror be polished? Behavior is the mirror in which everyone shows their image. Be like water, not luxurious but valuable for life. How to be happy? Remove the toxic people from your life. You can't make history in your comfort zone. Answer this. What do most people like? Own gain or other person's fall? When you say I and my too much, you lose the capacity to understand the we and our. Make yourself in such a way that you are always part of the solution, not the problem. Characterize people by their actions and you will never be fooled by their words. Be careful what you say about yourself because you are listening. A small loan makes a debtor, a great one an enemy. Sad but truth. I lost someone who didn't love me, but you lost someone who truly loved you. Importance. When you give a lot of importance to someone in your life, you lost your importance in their life. Psychology says never express too much love, affection, or care to someone because it's human tendency to underestimate anything that's free of cost. Except you can't make people feel for you the way you feel for them. Just accept the truth and move on. Value. Value the person who gives you time. It's not time. They share a part of life with you. Past is in your head. Future is in your hand. Be independent. Be positive. Be free. Karma says don't trust words, trust vibes. People can tell you anything, but a vibe tells you everything. Believe in yourself. Don't give up. Stay positive. Hold on. Change your mindset. Believe in yourself. Be positive. Enjoy life. Time has no meaning in itself unless we choose to give it significance. Some of the best advice you'll ever get will come from listening to your own instincts. The same boiling water that softens the potato hardens the egg. It's about what you are made of, not the circumstances. The dead cannot cry out for justice. It is a duty of the living to do so for them. The only thing more expensive than education is ignorance. Cry. There is a moment in everyone's life where you want to cry out loud, but you cry silently. Your soul wants to scream, but you cannot admit it. Worst feeling when you have no one to tell what is going in your head and how it's slowly killing you. The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still. No one will ever fully be able to understand the internal battles you had to endure just to heal, just to grow, just to make it here today. Be proud of the way you fought to save yourself. Be proud of the way you survived. Self-respect. Never lose your self-respect for someone who don't care about your feelings and emotions. Maturity. Maturity is when you stop asking people why they don't call or text you anymore. You just notice the change and accept it. No drama, no fights. You just walk away with a smile. Karma says listen to people when they are angry because that is when the real truth comes out. Laws of karma. Forgive the person and their actions. Never give in to hate. Let it go. Set it free and karma will take care of what is meant to be. What changed me? I have always been there for anyone who has ever needed me, but no one was there for me when I needed someone. That broke my heart and that changed me forever. Self-respect. Never beg someone to be in your life. If you text, call, visit and still get ignored, walk away. It's called self-respect. Karma says never get too attached to anyone unless they also feel the same towards you, because one-sided expectations can mentally destroy you. Karma says never ignore a person that loves you, cares for you and missed you, because one day you might wake up from your sleep and realize you lost the moon while counting the stars. Karma says if you feel like you are losing everything, remember that trees lose their leaves every year and still they stand tall and wait for better days to come. Psychology says when you focus on problems, you will have more problems. When you focus on possibilities, you will have more possibilities. I killed my own happiness in such a young age by loving someone more than myself. Psychology says if you don't clear your misunderstanding in time, they became the reason for distance forever. Priority. No one is too busy in this world. We all have the same 24 hours. It's all about priorities. Karma says don't be upset when people reject you. Nice things are rejected all the time by people who cannot afford them. Karma says if you feel like you are losing everything, remember that trees lose their leaves every year and still they stand tall and wait for better days to come. Karma says most people think love is full of joy, smile and romance, but the actual truth is love is full of hurt, pain and cry. Karma says mouth can lie, eyes cannot. People will forget, karma will not. Best advice in 2 lines. Silence is the best answer for all questions. Smiling is the best reaction in every situation. Never put the key to your happiness in somebody else's pocket. Psychology says God doesn't give you the people you want. He gives you the people you need. Karma says don't take revenge from your enemies. You just focus on your future goals. Leave them for me. I'll take care of them. Karma says some people will regret treating you badly at some stage in life. It will happen soon, believe me. Karma says listen to people when they are angry because that is when the real truth comes out. Karma says if you ever feel you are no longer important to someone, then live their life silently. Karma says never get too attached to anyone unless they also feel the same towards you, because one-sided expectations can mentally destroy you. Karma says don't force someone to remember you all the time. Just stay silent and let them realize how will they be without you in their life. Karma. Mouth can lie, eyes cannot. People will forget, karma will not. Karma says don't be fooled by a sweet talker. Believe someone whose actions and mouth speak the same truth. Karma says don't force someone to remember you all the time. Just stay silent and let them realize how will they be without you in their life. Private. When you are happy with someone in private, you don't need to prove it on social media. Friends. Millions of memories, thousands of jokes, hundreds of secrets, just one best friend. Best friend. Best friends are like mirror and shadow. Mirror don't lie and shadow never leave. Block. No need to block you. I want you to see what you lost. Accept. Accept the situation and move on with a smile. No matter whether the smile is real or fake, because no one really cares. Some disconnections will bless your life. Delete. If someone delete the story before 24 hours, it's because the target has already seen it. Self-respect. Never lose your self-respect for someone who don't care about your feelings and emotions. Life lesson. Stop wasting your time on people who treat you good one day, then act like you don't exist the next day. Hurt. She will never show you how much you hurt her, but one day she will walk away from your life, which will hurt you a lot. Perfect partner is someone who can understand your mood just by looking at your text and emojis. Avoid. Never avoid the person who loves you truly, because nowadays it's hard to get a true love. My situation, I can't block it, I can't forget it, I can't find it, I can't lose it. I just love it without any hope. Difficult. What is the most difficult task in the world? To unlove the person you love the most, I replied. Maturity is when someone hurts you and you try to understand their situation and don't hurt them back. Priority versus option. I'll make time for you. You are a priority. If I have time, you are an option. Ignore. Don't ignore anyone after they get addicted to you. It really hurts. Loyalty. Cheating is a choice, not a mistake. Loyalty is a responsibility, not a choice. Real man. A real man doesn't love 1,000 girls. He loves one girl in 1,000 ways. A real boyfriend calls you for nothing, texts you all the time, wants to see you, gets jealous, is overprotective, cares about you. Time decides who you meet in your life. Heart decides who you want in your life. Behavior decides who will stay in your life. Flirt when you fall for someone's words. Lust when you fall for someone's beauty. Love when you fall for someone's soul. Fake love, attitude, ego, costly gifts, disrespect, give no time, and sex. True love, care, respect, understand each other, fighting, give time. Karma says if you ever feel you are no longer important to someone, then leave their life silently. Karma says when you fully trust someone without any doubt, you get one of these two results: a person for life, a lesson for life. A close friend can become a close enemy. I don't hate you, I just lost all my respect for you. I trusted you, but now your words mean nothing because your actions spoke the truth. I had to forgive a person who wasn't even sorry. That's strength. One day you will realize I did truly care for you. I promise you, you will miss me being there, putting up with you, and refusing to give up on you. You are going to regret everything you have done to me, including all the damage you caused. Someday you will look back and wish things could be different. I might have been worthless to you, but I am of great value to myself. My silence means I am tired of fighting, and now there's nothing left to fight for. My silence means I am tired of explaining my feelings to you, but now I don't have the energy to explain them anymore. My silence means I have adapted to the changes in my life and I don't want to complain. My silence means I am on a self-healing process and I am trying to forget everything I ever wanted from you. My silence means I am just trying to move on gracefully with all my dignity. Ungrateful people complain about the one thing you haven't done for them instead of being thankful for the thousands of things you have done for them. Maturity. It doesn't always come with age. In fact, it's deeper than age. It's about the way you see and understand things, the way you consider others, the way you communicate, the way you react. the things you value, the things you entertain, the way you represent yourself and others as an adult. Everyone grows old, but not everyone is growing up. Change is never easy, but always possible. I have always been stimulated by the sense of challenge. Even when life challenges us, it's a gift beyond all measure. Focus means being diligent. Diligence always leads to wealth. A man doesn't need brilliance or genius, all he needs is energy. Happiness consists in realizing it is all a great, strange dream. Energy and persistence alter all things. Spend your energy on things that make a difference. Hoping drains your energy. Action creates energy. Be the energy you want to attract. Energy is transferable, so be careful of the company you keep. Dirt will rub off on white before white will rub off on dirt. And suddenly you know it's time to start something new and trust the magic of beginnings. Every thought has a frequency. Thoughts send out a magnetic energy. Be a reflection of what you would like to receive. If you want love, give love. If you want truth, be truthful. If you want respect, give respect. What you give out will always return. I am grateful for every gift that I receive. Do good and good will come to you. When you finish talking bad about me, don't forget to tell them all the good I did for you. Everybody is a saint when they talk about someone else's sin. You can't pray for them and gossip about them. Choose one. Stop walking around with a mouth full of scriptures and a heart full of hate. It doesn't matter how many Sundays you sit in church or if you think you are saved. God sees what you do and how you treat people. That's what really matters. You cannot treat people like garbage and worship God at the same time. I don't understand how some people are okay with themselves knowing they emotionally destroyed someone. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Happiness blooms from within. Make your dream become your reality. Sunflowers are the joy of the earth. Live life in full bloom. The difference between a weed and a flower is all in how we name it. Earth laughs in flowers. May the petals teach me the art of letting go. A flower doesn't think of competing with the flower next to it. It just blooms. Where flowers bloom, so does herb. Modernity is a qualitative, not a chronological category. It is interesting how the selfish, the ignorant, and the constantly angry all tend to be the same person. Selfish people try to keep or get things, but they lose people. Self-centered people have only one topic to talk about themselves. Selfish people tend to only be good to themselves. They are surprised when they are alone. The same people who are candy to our eyes can be poison to our hearts. Study their ingredient before feeding them to your soul. Self-absorbed people only think about what makes them feel good at the moment. They don't have any respect or regard for anyone else. Then they wonder why their relationships fail. The desire for knowledge shapes a man. Make a decision even if it's wrong. Knowledge is provided but only to those who need to know. One person can make a difference. There can be no doubt that all our knowledge begins with experience. Only the knowledge that comes from inside is the real knowledge. No man's knowledge here can go beyond his experience. It is not the situation which makes the man, but the man who makes the situation. The mark of a great man is one who knows when to set aside the important things in order to accomplish the vital ones. The value of a man should be seen in what he gives and not in what he is able to receive. The value of an idea has nothing whatever to do with the sincerity of the man who expresses it. Desire is the very essence of man. A man's sense of self is defined through his ability to achieve results. A noble spirit embiggens the smallest man. Idleness is the sepulchre of a living man. Idleness is the heaviest of all operations. All is wholesome in the absence of excess. Solitude is as needful to the imagination as society is wholesome for the character. The basic assumption of the secular society is that modernity overcomes religion. You don't really need modernity in order to exist totally and fully. You need a mixture of modernity and tradition. Silence is my attitude, patience is my weapon. Silence is not my character, silence is my attitude. A meaningful silence is always better than a meaningless words. My silence is my attitude. Silence isn't empty, it's full of answers. Silence is more eloquent than words. Silence is a true friend who never betrays. Silence is one of the great arts of conversation. Listening to the eternal involves the silence within us. I have begun to realize that you can listen to silence and learn from it. It has a quality and a dimension all its own. Before you begin your day, take a moment of silence and meditation and give yourself permission to have all that you desire. Logic and ethics are fundamentally the same. They are no more than duty to oneself. Humans are not ideally set up to understand logic. They are ideally set up to understand stories. Logic helps us to step off the outward disguise of things and to be whole and judge of them in their own nature. Human beings lose their logic in their vindictiveness. Logic is a system whereby one may go wrong with confidence. When dealing with people, remember you are not dealing with creatures of logic but creatures of emotion. Logic is a system whereby one may go wrong with confidence. Logic is one thing and common sense another. Intuition is a suspension of logic due to impatience. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. When intuition and logic agree, you are always right.
ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया।
Focus on your long-term goal. Good things will soon happen. Knowledge will give you power, but good character will give you respect. When you replace "why is this happening to me" with "what is this trying to teach me," everything shifts. Don't compare your life to others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. Coins always make sound, but paper monies are always silent. So when your value increases, keep yourself silent and humble. Listen to everyone, learn from everyone, because nobody knows everything, but everyone knows something. Keep 3 words in your pocket: try, true, trust. Try for better future, true with your work, trust in God, then success will be at your feet. 6 months of hard work and focus can put you 5 years ahead in life. Never underestimate the power of consistency and desire. There are 2 ways to be happy: change the situation or change your mindset towards it. When things change inside you, things change around you. Be kind, be thoughtful, be genuine, but most of all, be thankful. A happy life is the result of positive daily choices. Be good enough to forgive someone, but don't be stupid enough to trust them again. Sometimes temporary people teach you permanent lessons. You learn nothing from life if you think you are right all the time. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. Literature is not a picture of life, but is a separate experience with its own kind of flow and enhancement. Serious literature doesn't exist to make life easy, but to complicate it. In literature and in life, we ultimately pursue not conclusions but beginnings. Literature is not a picture of life, but it is a separate experience with its own kind of flow and enhancement. The index tells us the contents of stories and directs to the particular chapters. Thoughts and feelings are suspended in a vacuum unless they instigate and feed the selected actions, and it is the character's actions which reveal the character in the play. When you get at the end of your rope, tie a knot and hang on, don't quit. Instigating is an art that not all know. It is the work of experienced artists. Be wise. Don't be fooled and provoked for things that are not meant to be thought by you. To be a good detective, you must also think like a crook, an immoral, unethical, or unlawful person. Do all you can to make your dreams come true. I feel like making dreams come true. The more you dream, the more you achieve. Make your dreams a reality. You don't want to look back and think, I wish I had done something sooner. Dreams do come true for those who never give up. It starts with a dream, add faith, and it becomes a belief, add action, and it becomes a part of life, add perseverance, and it becomes a goal inside, add patience and time, and it ends with a dream come true. Dream until your dreams come true. Only you can make your dreams come true. Don't give up on your dreams. Even miracles take a little time. I hope all your dreams come true. The surest way to make your dreams come true is to leave them. Dreams do come true. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. Before you can make a dream come true, you must first have one. You are that once in a lifetime dream come true. Have a dream, make a plan, go for it. You will get there, I promise. You keep dreaming big, never put the limit on your dreams. Sometimes the dreams that come true are the dreams you never even knew you had. The measure of any man's virtue is what he would do if he had neither the laws nor public opinion nor even his own prejudices to control him. Brains don't work unless you take action. It is, I claim, nonsense to say that it doesn't matter which individual man acted as the nucleus for the chain. It is precisely this that makes history unpredictable into the future. Each man must for himself alone decide what is right and what is wrong, which course is patriotic and which isn't. You cannot shirk this and be a man. There were in him candor and generosity which, unless tempered by due moderation, lead to ruin. Man is immortal not because he alone among creatures has an inexhaustible voice, but because he has a soul, a spirit capable of compassion and sacrifice and endurance. The intellect of 2,000 asses cannot bring forth a single man's thought. Indifference to fate, which though it often makes a villain of a man, is the basis of his sublimity when it doesn't. It is only by instigation of the wrongs of men that what we call the rights of men become turbulent and dangerous. Genius is an infinite capacity for taking pains. Mind is not a dustbin to keep anger, hatred, and jealousy, but it is the treasure box to keep love, happiness, and sweet memories. Don't make time for people who don't make time for you. Less friends, less bullshit. Keep your circle small. I'm definitely not the same person I was a year ago. There is always something to be thankful for. The more you trust God, the more He amazes you. Stay away from people who cannot take responsibility for their actions and who make you feel bad for being angry to them when they do you wrong. Toxic is when they can't let you go, but they can't treat you right either. If you have to hurt other people in order to feel powerful, you are an extremely weak individual. Remember, what you do now will come back to you in the future. Life has a funny way of making you deal with what you make others go through. Every action has equal and opposite reaction. This is law of the universe and is personal. Wrong done and injustice inflicted is paid back in the same coin. No one has escaped justice of the universe. It is only a matter of time. Sooner or later, everyone sits down to a banquet of consequences. Peace begins from within. If you are not peaceful inside, the world you see will be chaotic. Some people could be given an entire field of roses and only see the thorns in it. Others could be given a single weed and only see the wildflower in it. Perception is a key component to gratitude, and gratitude is a key component to joy.
ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया।
My moral in life is simple. You treat me good and I'll definitely treat you better. Do everything with a good heart and expect nothing in return, and you will never be disappointed. Fly. First love yourself. When you know the truth of yourself, you don't need wings to fly. Fun. Finally understanding nothing. When your mind is clear with nothing to understand, then everything you see and hear will be in fun. Hate. Holding a treacherous energy. The energy of fear causes anger, making you a victim of your own misguided directions. The anger of hate will create a victim out of you in the end. Real women are classy, strong, independent, loyal, and lovable, and one thing about them is they know they deserve better. Think like a queen. A queen is not afraid to fail. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness. Women should be someone and not something. It changed my life. I saw art then as I wanted to see it. Let today be the day you stop being a victim of your circumstances and start taking action towards the life you want. It is as well not to have too great an admiration for your master's work. You will be in less danger of imitating him. It is better to look ahead and prepare than to look back and regret. We'll go forward, we will never go back. At the end of the day, it's not about what you have or even what you have accomplished. It's about who you have lifted up, who you have made better. It's about what you have given back. When you are a winner, you come back no matter what happened the day before. The comeback is always better than the setback. You may have to fight a battle more than once to win it. It's not how far you fall, but how high you bounce that counts. The difference between a strong man and a weak one is that the former doesn't give up after a defeat. It doesn't matter how deep you fall, what matters is how high you bounce back. Music, melodic, unique, sound, inviting, creativity. Music is the highest form of communication in the universe. Music was here before time began. It is the universal language of the world. Light, living in God's heavenly thoughts. Let there be light and you will feel the colors of the rainbow like thoughts high above you. Can, creative and new. Just keep saying to yourself, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. I know I can, I know I can, I know I can. Laugh, letting an unfiltered giggle happen. Laughter is the best medicine. Smile, sending magnificent inner loving energy. A smile opens doors and brings light. Peace, purely experiencing a comfortable energy. Peace is settling and kind. Love, living on victorious energy. Two hearts in the wind equal love, and love is the strongest element of them all. Faith, fantastic adventures in trusting Him. Replace the word fear with faith, and no weapon used against you will prosper. Truth, taking real understanding to heart. The truth requires no questions. Nuts, never underestimate the Spirit. When you are feeling the grace of the Spirit, it's okay to be nuts. Art means above real truth. Art is only the search, not the final form. Out means debating on understanding bewildering thoughts. When you debate with yourself, there are no winners. Life means living in forever, eternity. I'm feeling like I have never felt before. It's a beautiful feeling of freedom. Feel life, don't escape it. Life is your birth, give and die. Motivation means moving our thoughts into victory and truth in overcoming negativity. Turning thoughts to kindness and love creates a symphony of goodness. Champion, creating happiness and magical progress in overcoming negativity. Awesome, a wonderful experience showing this magnificent energy. Instantly shift your attitude into well being. Peace means pleasurable experience, anchoring centered energy. When mind is weak, a situation becomes problem. When mind is balanced, the situation becomes a challenge. When mind is strong, that situation becomes opportunity. It's all a mind game. Be strong. Your problem isn't the problem. Your reaction is the problem. Do it now. Sometimes later becomes never. Follow none but learn from everyone. Take risks in life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. Only I can change my life. No one can do it for me. Believing in yourself is the first secret of success. When someone tells me no, it doesn't mean I can't do it. It simply means I can't do it with them. Remember that there is no happiness in having or in getting, but only in giving. Remember that the happiest people are not those getting more, but those giving more. A clear vision backed by definite plans gives you a tremendous feeling of confidence and personal power. Believe in yourself. You are braver than you think, more talented than you know, and capable of more than you imagine. Laziness is nothing more than the habit of resting before you get tired. If you spend too much time thinking about a thing, you will never get it done. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. The most important thing is to enjoy your life, to be happy. It's all that matters. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Take responsibility of your own happiness. Never put it in other people's hands. No regrets in life, just lessons learned. Work hard in silence and let the success be the noise. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. The past is behind, learn from it. The future is ahead, prepare for it. The present is here, live it. The road to success is always under construction. Mindset is what separates the best from the rest. If you want to become big, stop thinking small. Once you become fearless, life becomes limitless. Winners are ordinary people with extraordinary determination. Behind every successful person, there is a lot of unsuccessful years. Life always gives us another change. It's called to move on. Silence and smile are two powerful tools. Smile is the way to solve many problems, and silence is the way to avoid many problems. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. The best revenge is massive success. A goal without a plan is just a wish. If you want to be powerful, educate yourself. Without education, there is no future. Distance doesn't matter when roots of your relationship are strong enough. Rivers never go reverse, so try to live like a river. Forget your past and focus on your future. Always be positive. Honest relationships are just like water. No color, no shape, no place, no taste, but still very important for life. Truth is like a surgery. It hurts, but it heals. A lie is like a painkiller. It gives instant relief, but has side effects forever. Coins always make sound, but paper monies are always silent. So when your value increases, keep yourself silent and humble. Don't compare your life to others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. Honorable viewers,
अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया।
The person you took for granted today may turn out to be the person you need tomorrow. Be careful how you treat people. Just because I post something doesn't mean I am going through it. I might just like the quotes. Block, delete, unfriend, unfollow, deactivate. It's really that simple. You can control what you allow. I listen very carefully with my eyes. Words may lie, but actions always tell the truth. Never lie to someone who trusts you. Never trust someone who lies to you. Words may lie, but actions always tell the truth. My attitude is a result of your actions, so if you don't like my attitude, blame yourself. Nothing annoys me more than when someone expects you to be okay with something that they wouldn't be okay with if it was done to them. I trusted you, but now your words mean nothing to me because your actions spoke the truth. Actions prove who someone is, words just prove who they pretend to be. Your worth is who you are, not what you have. Honesty has a power that makes a lot of people uncomfortable. I used to be a people pleaser until I realized that pleasing people still doesn't please them. If you can't take a little criticism, then please don't criticize others. Some people can pinpoint everything wrong about you, but when it comes to correcting themselves, the pen don't work. Some people focus on your faults like they don't have any to work on. There are people out there who act good but deep down are pure evil. When you destroy someone's life with lies, take it as a loan. It will come back to you with interest. Influencing others to hate someone is an act of witchcraft. Better to be known as a sinner than a hypocrite. You cannot treat people like garbage and worship God at the same time. You learn a lot about people when they don't get what they want. When they can't control you, they reject you. People have to pretend you are a bad person so they don't feel guilty about the things they did to you. When you finish talking bad about me, don't forget to tell them all the good I did for you. Don't put me last, then call me first when you need something. I got 3 rules. Don't lie to me, don't use me, and if you are tired of me, leave me alone. I may not be perfect, but I am honest, loving, and real. I don't try to be what I am not, and I don't try to impress anyone. I am me. Some people will only love you as much as they can use you. Their loyalty ends when the benefits stop. No matter how badly someone treats you, never drop down to their level. Remain calm, stay strong, and walk away. Nothing has such power to broaden the mind as the ability to investigate systematically and truly all that comes under thy observation in life. Complacency is a state of mind that exists only in retrospective. It has to be shattered before being ascertained. Scientific inquiry starts with observation. The more one can see, the more one can investigate. Scientific research is one of the most exciting and rewarding of occupations. The more thoroughly I conduct scientific research, the more I believe that science excludes atheism. Research is formalized curiosity. It is poking and prying with a purpose. If you want that good feeling that comes from doing things for other folks, then you have to pay for it in abuse and misunderstanding.
ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया।
Forget the past and focus on the future. Forget the past, look forward to the future, for the best things are yet to come. Our future reality depends on what we do now in this present moment. I can give you many examples of people who may not have studied much but have done well for themselves because they believed they could. If you try to please everyone, you will please no one. It is impossible to lead your life for others' happiness. Men can do certain things well and women other things. Men and women are complementary to each other. One need not prove one's strength. You should not be so sensitive. Sensitive people suffer a lot in life. Life is an exam where the syllabus is unknown and question papers are not set, nor are there model answer papers. Very few people are able to keep their heads on their shoulders when money is in the picture. Life is an exam where the syllabus is unknown and question papers are not set, nor are there model answer papers. Be independent on yourself and know that courage has to be born within you. It takes time, but you have to work for it. We mourn the future because it's easier than admitting that we are miserable in the present. The best thing about the future is that it comes one day at a time. The future is not something we enter, the future is something we create. It's better to let go and look forward into the future instead of the past. Life is too short to be angry all the time when there is actually happiness around you. Forget the past and let us make our future. Perfecting the past blurs your focus of the future. Study the past if you would divine the future. You can't live in history, you have got to build for the future. You don't just stumble into the future, you create your own future. Go for today, don't worry about the future, it will come eventually. Usually, people who are sensitive need more time to understand the real world. Be dependent on yourself and know that courage has to be born within you. It takes time, but you have to work for it. It is very difficult to earn trust. It takes years to build and it can be destroyed in an instant by one bad deed. If you try to please everyone, you will please no one. It is impossible to lead your life for others' happiness. A fire cannot be extinguished with another fire. It is only water that can make a difference. Of all the luxuries in life, the greatest luxury is getting freedom of the right kind. A cuckoo should never dance and a peacock should not try to sing. It is very difficult to earn trust. It takes years to build and it can be destroyed in an instant by one bad deed. The future is now. Don't make that second pass you into regrets. The future is the result of what we do right now. Not the past, not the future. Life is now. The future is the result of what we do right now. Without a future well designed, we take hesitant steps. Wake up and ponder the future. Ponder and deliberate before you make a move. I like deep thinkers. I don't like to have normal conversations with people. I love learning about what makes them who they are, their thoughts, views, who is important to them, what is important to them. Let me pick your brain. Every deep thinker is more afraid of being understood than of being misunderstood. Things are simple, situations are clear, hurdles are easy. It's our mind which makes it complex and complicated. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. My tree of life, I unheard, suffocate deep within, behind this facade, quiet and in control. The inner child gives in to the weight of your words. Life is difficult because we don't appreciate the things that come easily. Don't tell someone about your good side to make them stay. Tell them your worst side and see who stays. Deep thinking and overthinking are two different ideas. Deep thinking creates solutions, overthinking creates problems. Don't tell someone about your good side to make them stay. Tell them your worst side and see who stays. When the root is deep, there is no reason to fear the wind. If you break someone and they still wish you the best, you have lost the greatest thing for you. Everything is temporary. I like deep thinkers. I don't like to have normal conversations with people. I love learning about what makes them who they are, their thoughts, views, who is important to them, what is important to them. Let me pick your brain. I find that a duck's opinion of me is very much influenced over whether or not I have bread. The world as we have created it is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking. Nothing ever goes away until it teaches us what we need to know. I don't think of all the misery but of the beauty that still remains. Every deep thinker is more afraid of being understood than of being misunderstood. I pride myself in being a deep thinker and I want you to be one too. Dead people receive more flowers than the living ones because regret is stronger than gratitude. To me, it suffices to wonder at these secrets and to attempt humbly to grasp with my mind a mere image of the lofty structure of all that there is. Men of genius are not quick judges of character. Deep thinking and high imagining blend that trivial instinct by which you and I size people up. Think big thoughts but relish small pleasures. Deep thinking is attainable only by a man of deep feeling, and all truth is a species of revelation. Karma says sometimes you have to suffer in life. Not because you were bad, but because you didn't realize where to stop being good. And into the forest I go to lose my mind and find my soul. Choose the ones who look at you like they just realized you exist. The universe is not outside of you. Look inside yourself. Everything that you want, you already are. When you are content to be simply yourself and don't compare or compete, everybody will respect you. You can be free from everything, but the consequences of what you do. Guilt is about something you do, shame is about who you are. Often we look so long at the closed door that we don't see the one that has been opened for us. This was not guilt. Guilt is what you feel when you have done something wrong. What I felt was shame. I was what was wrong. Only afterward did the guilt set in, the guilt that for a few minutes he let himself stop feeling guilty. Guilt and no guilt, these were the worst things. The only thing worse than the guilt was the fear of getting caught. I walk around feeling a sort of existential guilt all the time, and honestly for me this house is a way of feeling less guilty about the universe. Never feel guilty for doing what's best for you. There's always that one stupid mistake that changes everything. I wish I could be a better me for you. Sometimes I want to go back in time and punch myself in the face. Don't waste your time in anger, regrets, worries, and grudges. Life is too short to be unhappy. I don't regret my past, I just regret the time I have wasted with the wrong people.
ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया।